miner. I am a miner. Here comes the miner. And that's when it came to me. Suddenly, amazingly, I am a miner.
Hey guys, Kawaii Senpai here.
And Kawaii Chicken.
Back, well, sorry. We're not back. Let's see if we got this new guy here. Kawaii Chicken. First person here. There we go. Oh, stay away from here. Stay away from here.
Wait.
I said stay away. Going. And we are here with another Minecraft video. Now, this is the start of a new series. This is our survival series. Now, let's get right to it. What do you say?
Okay, let's get to it.
Now, where should we start? Why don't we go down to the swamp over here?
Which one?
Right down. I said swamp. You know, right here. This one right here. By the way, let's go. High five, Sean. Hey, chicken. Let's go. Look at me. Look at me in the eyes. High five. Okay, let's go down to the swamp. Now let's start punching this tree. This looks a very interesting tree to punch. Only if my freaking phone stops glitching out. Sorry, guys. My phone is a bit glitchy. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I am really sorry, guys. My phone is a bit glitchy. Wait, chicken.
Yeah. Really stupid pig.
I can't quite remember how to get back. I think it's this way. Look out to the swamp. Kawaii, look out to the swamp. Chicken. Chicken, I mean. Tell me if you see me. Stop going on crouch.
Okay.
You see me anywhere?
Well, I guess I do see you.
I'm really sorry, guys. I'll be back when I find him. Swamp, as I was trying to say, and punch this tree.
Okay.
Punch some trees. Just turn. Do not. Just there. Punch the tree next to mine. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. A lot of this I'm not intentionally doing. See, I have too much RAM on my phone or something. So, another video, another day. By the way, if I haven't introduced you, this is my guest, my chicken. Do you want to get to this? Come on, over here.
No.
When you're done,
Hey.
over here.
Ah, there you are. There you are.
Over here. I'm gonna build a craft for all of your stuff into wood planks.
Oh my gosh!
And a glitch. I'm not doing anything. My God. My phone is freaking glitching out. I'll be back. Your name tag. Someone show. Oh. I see you found my trap. You are never getting out of there.
What?
Yes, you are never. You are gonna stay with me forever. You know, you don't have to do that. Oh my gosh, another freaking glitch.
No. No. Get me out of here.
No,
No.
I will break it just to make sure you. Kidding me. I'm breaking the pressure. I'm breaking the pressure plate.
Don't.
I did it. It is finished. You are gonna stay down there. End of time. You are never. Well.
No, let me out.
Right.
No, let me out.
Well, that's it, guys. Stay cool. Don't have to get out. That was that's cool. I say.
Well,
That's cool. I sing bye, and I am nuts. Tell me what you think of the video, and my new little toy. Now, that's it for today, guys. I will see you in the next video.
No.
Now, like.
Wait.
Dude.
Don't let me in here. No.
Shut up.
Wait.
Just shut up.
No.
Shut up. I'm doing my outro.
No, don't.
And
Don't
then-
let me in
just
here. Don't let me in here.
now, as always,
Bye.
smash
No.
that like
No.
button and
No.
subscribe to my
No.
channel.
No. Let me in here.
And stay kawaii.
Let me in
And see you
here.
later. Stay
No.
kawaii, guys.
No.